All right, going through the car wash. This car needs it. Probably on the inside too, but we're not going to show you that yet. I'll show you when it's nice and clean on the inside. Ooh. It's gonna eat by the crack in here. Gonna get a seizure from these lights. Oh, there we go, one coming on the other side. Already gonna go fast. We're gonna wash these windows off. Oh, who am I to judge? I'm not a professional car washer. If I was, I wouldn't have to come here, would I? Oh. Sorry, that was too quick. Hopefully I didn't give anybody a headache. Go back. Oh, something's coming. Something's coming here. Uh-oh. Arr. All right. I think we need one more rinse, don't we? Let's see. It says clear coat protection. Oh, here comes the Armor All. There you go, Armor All. I just give you a free advertisement. Isn't that nice? All right. Tire shine. Oh, that didn't sound good. Clonk. So, oops, a little more time. All right. Thank you. Come again. Thank you, everybody. Oh, wait, there's one more thing, I guess. Okay. Oh, being applied. Look, see that says being applied when lit. All right. And we're out of the car wash, practically. I'll talk to you all soon. I think. Good enough. Bye-bye.